Creating thumbnail. Ever struggled to create eye-catching thumbnails for your videos? Imagine scrolling through YouTube and a stunning thumbnail grabs your attention instantly. In today's video, I'll show you how to create those captivating thumbnails using CapCut, making your content stand out effortlessly. Let's dive in and unlock the secret to perfect thumbnails. First, click on this cover tab. Then you'll see this tab. In this tab, we will create a thumbnail or video cover for your project. This will automatically add a background picture to your video. Here you have a Templates tab folder available on the left side of the screen. In this tab, you can use any template in your thumbnail. Then you have a toolbar available on the left corner side. Go to the Text tab located in this toolbar. You'll see this interface. In this tab, you can select any text for your video. For example, I select this one. Then this will add to my canvas. I'll double-click on this to select it. Then type your own text. Then adjust the position it to the bottom of the screen. Then click on this background image. Then go to the Effects tab, located on the right side of the canvas. Then click on this blur effect. Then you can see that have background is blurred. Then go to the Shapes tab. In this tab, you can use any shape on your project. I select this one and click on it. Then go to the canvas and adjust the scale. Then set the position. Then again click on this Text tab. Now, I select this text, then go to the canvas. Change the text to according your needs. Then adjust the scale. Then set the position. Then go to the Stickers tab. In this tab, you can select any sticker for your projects to look more amazing. I select this one. Then adjust the scale. Then set the position. You can see the final results. After that, you can save this cover on the video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome content. See you in the next video.